Don't forget about Tell Me Why, the first AAA game to have a transgender main character. Not a hyped up game or anything, but still a cool contribution to diversity in games. They're a pretty big gaming official. I like Beer Tractor's Maybe 3 People vintage retro shirt. I guess you could call it more of a title. The difference isn't all too clearly defined though. Literally inspired by the life of one of the only Westerners to become a samurai. A French officer, Jules Brunet. Brunet was sent to Japan to train soldiers on how to use modern. Official I like Beer Tractor's Maybe 3 People vintage retro shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. And this new wave is not only great for being more representative, but I notice there is also a less sexualizing woman as fuck dolls. You see female characters that look closer to normal than in past decades in games and movies. Huge jiggly boobs and ass are no go. I also noticed less an official I like Beer Tractor's Maybe 3 People vintage retro shirts. For example, no Western game characters smoke now. Blizzard later removed the cigar from the StarCraft 2 guy in other product.